EBS snapshots. It is backup of a single EBS volume. Snapshots can be occupied across availability zone as well as regions. This diagram shows an example of EBS snapshot. AMI. Amazon Machine Image is a backup of an entire EC2 instance. There are three types of AMIs. Your own AMI, these are made and maintained by you yourself. AWS Marketplace, where AMIs made by users of AWS are present, and public AMI provided by AWS itself. So remember that EBS snapshot is a backup of a single EBS volume, whereas AMIs are backup of an entire EC2 instance. So AMI image are associated with EBS snapshots. Those EBS snapshots are the backups of the individual EBS volumes attached to the EC2 instance at the time the AMI image was created. Hope you understood the difference between AMI and EBS. Now we have already created a new EBS volume. So now let's create a snapshot of this EBS volume. To create a snapshot, select the EBS volume, click on Actions and click on Create Snapshot. Type in the description. So let me just type in first snapshot. Let me just add tag here. And after adding the tag, click on Create Snapshot. Okay, now your snapshot has been successfully created. Now in the left side, scroll down. Under the Elastic Block Store, click on Snapshots. Now you can see your snapshot has been created. Now to create a volume from snapshot, click on the snapshot. In Actions, click on Create Volume from Snapshot. Select the availability zone. I'll select 1C and I'll click on Create Volume. Leave the rest as default. Okay, so my volume has successfully been created. Now let's check it. In the left hand side, go to Volumes. And now you can see there are two volumes here. One is in availability zone 1B and another is in 1C. Now go back to snapshot, select the snapshot. In the actions, click on delete snapshot. We are just cleaning up now. Click on delete. After your snapshot has been deleted, go back to volumes. Select both the volumes. Click on actions and click on delete volume. Type in delete and click on delete. So we have cleared this section.